Hello, good morning po. Good afternoon, good evening. Sa sign ng Scorpio with the water elements, Lola Baby nagpapakilala po ha. Bigyan ko kayo ng general reading, hindi po ito personal ha. For the rest of the days and weeks ng October, ng tinatawag na month of August. So, isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Let's see your energy, what your future will say, okay? What's your future's waiting? What your future holds for you, okay? So, tingnan muna natin your past. Para sa mga Scorpio. The energy from the past, okay? Nakikita ko dito from your past is tinatawag na very gloomy, okay? It's like mas marami pa ang walang sagot, 'di ba? Sa tanong, okay? Yan. Yun ang nakikita ko. For some of you, it's like you are neglected from the past, 'di ba? Maybe hindi ka pinapansin. Sabi natin family or people, okay? Na sabihin na nating very important sa inyo. It's like, palagi kang mag-isa. Nag-iisa ka lang. It's like your future is bleak, okay? Madilim, diba? Yun. Siguro, kasi may nakikita lang ako dito, maybe this is about your childhood. Maaring tinatawag na black sheep in the family, di ba? You're some kind special, unique, di ba? Different from your other siblings. So, ito yung tinatawag, okay? Yan, oh. And you're very, very childish. You love fun in the past, nakikita ko. It's like, ang buhay sa iyo noong nakaraan is, I don't know, maybe you come from a rich family, I don't know, okay? It's like pa-easy-easy, it's like a easy life, di ba? Fun. Walang tinatawag na alalahanin, di ba? It's like, I can go, meron ako higaan, alam ko I will eat, I can sleep, wala akong babayaran, di ba? Wala akong babayaran tubig, di ba? Maybe ito yung tinatawag na spoiled brat. General ito ha, yun lang nakita ko. Kaya dito, yung kanyang tinatawag future, it's like, itong taong ito is hindi niya iniisip about his future. Okay? It's more about fun, di ba? It's like friends, di ba? Good food, good life, good clothes, di ba? Perfume, shoes, di ba? Everything, di ba? Yan o. So, yan na nakikita ko for you, okay? Your past lives. Yeah, it's like wala kang alalahanin. Maybe you come from a very rich family, that's why. So, let's see your today, your present. Okay? Okay, so ngayon naman, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag general ito, di ba? Whatever is this, di ba? You feel alienated, yan, you feel abandoned, or maybe you are remorseful. For some of you, maybe kasi ito ang the past nakita ko, di ba? Maaring ngayon, pinagsisisihan mo what happened in the past. Maybe sabihin na natin na hindi ako nakapagplano. Hindi ko napaghandaan ang aking future, di ba? So, may dalawa ka na lang dito. It's like tinatawag lifeline. Yung two cups na nakatindig. Diba? So, whatever happened in the past is already in the past. Ibig sabihin nito, until now, for some of you, may mga pinanghihinayangan pa kayo from the past. Okay? Up to now. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na strength. Okay? Yan. Very, very challenging. That's your tinatawag challenge ngayon. Okay? It's like tinatawag na I have to, kailangan kong buuin ang sarili ko. That's what I see from you now. Diba? It's like tinatawag na if I if I stay, okay? If I remain, kung mananatili ako sa tinatawag the past, di ba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yan, what will happen to me in the future? It's like tinatawag, gagamitin ko na itong dalawa kong cups na nakatindig para ako is makarecover, di ba? Para yung tinatawag, the past is tinatawag na makabawi ka, okay? What ever happened in the past, okay? Kasi dito nakikita, okay? Yan. Your lifestyle. Maybe it's about your lifestyle, di ba? Baka ito'y walang problema sa buhay. It's like everything is served, di ba? Okay. So, yan ha, okay. So kaya nga dito, 'di ba? Nakikita. It's about your strength challenge, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag, okay? Kailangan buuin ko ang sarili ko. It's like cleansing, 'di ba? Self-undoing para it's like tinatawag completeness, magkaroon ng completeness sa buhay nyo, 'di ba? May magawa ka. So ito yung tinatawag ngayon, you are ready na. Whatever relationship is this, di ba? Maybe sabihin nating pag-aasawa, bubuo ka ng family. Okay? Maybe yung tinatawag na papasok ka sa trabaho, di ba? Yan, gagamitin mo na eh. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, whatever happens in the past, nangyari na. Di ba? Hindi mo na maibalik. Kasi bata ka pa dito. Yan. Diba? Meron for some of you, may mga edad na, pero parang buhay binata, something like that. Parang walang pakialam sa mundo, diba? Walang problema. It's like gigising lang, pag nag-almusal, wala na, diba? It's like saya na. So ngayon, ibig sabihin nito, yan, okay? Kaya meron ditong the 5 of cups, diba? It's like tinatawag, sayang. Kung noong una pala, hindi ko inaksaya ang buhay ko, mayaman na ako ngayon. Diba? It's like tinatawag na meron akong achievement na nagawa. So, ito na ngayon ikaw. Diba? It's like tinatawag, binubuo mo na ang sarili mo. You are ready na. Diba? Para sinasabi mong, I'm competent na. Okay? Very, very competent. Yan, ha? So, let's see what's your future holds for you. Okay? Para sa mga Scorpio. Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups. Yan. So, for some of you, dahil ngayon, it's like for some of you, you are loveless. It's like loveless. Wala kang kasama, di ba? Okay. Maybe sabi na natin, oh, I'm capable na. Okay. I am capable to love. Maybe you are single. Yan. Okay. Maybe you have a child, kasi meron ditong bata from the past. Maaring sabihin na natin from the past, nagkaroon ka ng tinatawag relationship, a marriage, diba? But the marriage, tinatawag dito, hindi naging successful. Pero may bata. Okay? So, for some of you, whatever happens, it's like tinatawag, binabarkadahan mo na. Diba? You don't want to see. So, ibig sabihin nito, ang gusto mo lang makita ay yung tinatawag na kasayahan. You don't want, ayaw mo nang bumalik sa nakalipas. So, for some of you, may mga anak na, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, ay your future. It's about your future, di ba? So, maybe, tinatawag na, sino ang darating, okay? Na tao, na tinatawag na makakasama mo lifetime, di ba? Yung tinatawag na kasama mo sa hirap at ginhawa, magiging masaya, compatible, okay? Yan. So in the future, you are thinking. So ngayon, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, di ba? Okay? Yan. You're trying to move on and you are ready, di ba? It's like bagong tao ka na. So you are thinking, kaya ka narito, di ba? For your future. Yan. Kung matatagpuan mo ba talaga, sino ito? Yung forever mo, okay? So that's what your future is saying. Yan. Kita mo, narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Wands, di ba? Your future, okay? So pag sinabi mong the Four of Wands, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you have to move. You have to take an action now. Tinatawag na the Five of Cups, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, very, very challenging. That's your strength, di ba? It's like, okay, magpapaganda na uli ako. Yan. It's like tinatawag, I will go back to the gym, di ba? Or inonorish ko ang katawan ko para bumalik uli yung tinatawag attractiveness, yung tinatawag youthful, okay? From the past. It's like youthful, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito in the future, okay? Na matagpuan mo, okay? It's like you are looking na, di ba? It's like dating site, or sabihin na natin you will go to the party, di ba? Kung saan matatagpuan mo ang iyong true love. So that's your future, di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, now, nagsisimula ka ng maghanap, okay? Para makasama mo in the future, someone to hold, to kiss, di ba? Makausap, yan, di ba? Yan. So, that's what you are doing now for your future, okay?